Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to add a card to Apple Wallet. First thing first, on your iPhone, open the Wallet app. Tap the plus icon at the top right corner. If you've used a card before, tap previous cards to re-add it. To add a new one, just select debit or credit card, then tap continue. You have two options to enter card information. The first option is using your iPhone's camera to scan your card, which autofills card number. Or the second option is to tap enter card details manually to type in the number, expiration date and security code. Apple Pay now will prompt you to verify your card. This could involve an SMS OTP, email or banking app approval depending on your card issuer. Now, once verified, your card is added and you can now use Apple Pay at contactless terminals, online, and in apps. A pro tip, you can add multiple cards and set one as your default card under Wallet settings. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.